This is the one and only case that size does not matter. So you want to blur the background to get that nice depth of field and get that bokeh, bokeh, whatever. So you set your camera to like 1.2, 1.8, 2.8, and you up your shutter to like 5,000 to get that moody look. But that puts your flash into high-speed sync, and even at its highest output, is not enough to expose your subject correctly, especially this little thing right here. And on top of that, you throw the diffuser on your flash, and that cuts the power even more. This is the answer to all your problems. It's called variable ND filter. It's like sunglasses for your lens. Step 1, you throw the ND filter on your lens. Step 2, you set your shutter speed to the maximum speed sync. You gotta check what that is on your camera. Mine is 1/200. Put your aperture at its lowest, or depending where you want it to shoot, 1.2, 1.8, 2.8. Now put your ISO at its lowest. I'm gonna put mine at 100. That's the lowest my camera goes to. Now all you have to do is twist the ND filter until you get the exposure you want. So the ND filter is basically working as the ISO now. So now you have enough power in your flash to expose your subject, and you don't have to throw your flash into high-speed sync. Now all you have to do is just shoot away. I tried to shoot with the diffuser on, but as you can see, the wind was going crazy. So this is the only shot I got. So I had to go bare flash, but I still like the results we got. One of the cons that you have by putting a filter in front of your lens is you get vignetting. You could fix this in Lightroom, but prefer not to. And sometimes your images do come out a little soft because you have another piece of glass in front of your lens. Does the size really matter? Do you need all this power, or can you manage with an ND filter and this little guy? You tell me.